Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Ardmore Elementary School in Villa Park, Illinois, in District 45. My first visit to this school and was an incredible one. Home of the Eagles here too, standing near their school entrance. And the two presentations that I gave today were actually in the gymnasium. We focused on diversity, which is all about our differences, and the need for human kindness, right, which it says on my shirt here. And my friend and I actually designed this logo. The idea is that peace starts in our heart, why the peace sign is there. There's also two people inside the heart, because kindness isn't just about showing kindness to ourselves. We have to go and give that kindness to others as well. So through a series of heartfelt stories and inspirational videos, positive music, the idea that we really tried to hammer home with all the students and staff today is that it's so vital that we continue to show more and more kindness, right? Because that one action that we might say or do towards someone else, if somebody's in earshot or eyesight of hearing or seeing it, it may actually change their heart in a positive way too, possibly forever. And seeing this drawing here with the eagle, I did show that actually in the presentation, a black and white eagle and one full of color. And it was so cool because the students got to see that that's really what diversity is about, right? That with diversity, it brings life, right, to our lives. And all of us are unique, all of us are beautiful, all of us have something to offer this world, this school, this community. And if we're all the same, it'd be very boring, right? But that color, it really brings it to life. And this mural right here is a pretty amazing one too. But that's how we really do rise. You see the eagle soaring here. We rise by lifting others, right? Higher than ourselves, and truly, seeing the worth in everyone around us, which ties into this, which I also bring up in all of my presentations, that all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M, right? We have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. But this M, I say, stands for miracle, right? Upside down, the W stands for worthy, that we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we truly have to believe that, right? Because so many students I speak to, people in general that I speak to, they don't believe that, or they've never been told that, or they've forgotten that. They need to be reminded of that. And so we first have to really, truly buy into that concept in our hearts, and then go out and start to share that with others around us, right? The people that need to see their value and how special they are. And it's so great because there was a lot of pin drop moments in today's talks that the students really took it to heart, a lot of what I was sharing, and that something really did hit home for them, right? They really did understand some of the key lessons that I was trying to discuss with them. And that's always encouraging to me, to know that these young people are already picking up that torch to want to be nicer, to want to show more kindness. A lot of them came up to me after to share their heart with me. Some were in tears, and tears are our strength, that the sweat of our strength means we're starting to heal and feel again. But they said, hey, Mr. Peace, I am nice to others, but sometimes they're not nice back. And it just broke their heart that they aren't always nice to them back, or they don't always include them back. But I said, look, you can't force someone to like you, to love you. You can't force someone to be nice, but you can hopefully maybe start to change their heart by showing that love, right? Rising above that hate. And a second grader that had reached out to me years ago in one of my assemblies had said, Mr. Peace, I'm kind to everybody. I said, oh, that's awesome. She said, you know what? I think I was born kind. And I kind of had to laugh inside, because all of us are born kind, right? We're all born nice. We have to learn to hate. We have to learn violence. We have to learn to be mean. We can always unlearn that. And to know that these, these very young youth are already getting these tools to use on a daily basis, I mean, that's huge. That's just incredible to think that we're able to instill that in their hearts, that they can go out and be that change. And one student that came up to me today said, Mr. Peace, I'm going to tell my mom and dad about this, and they're going to tell people about this, and someone else will tell someone about that. And like that snowball, it's just going to keep growing and growing and growing. That act of kindness, just one can start to ripple out, right? It can start to have that impact. And they really saw that today. And again, they understand that we have to respect diversity, both on the outside of someone, maybe how they're born, how they walk, talk, see, hear, learn, skin color, whatever it is on the outside, and what's on the inside too, our qualities, our attributes, our skills, our talents, our gifts, right? We have to respect both of what's on the outside and what's on the inside. And we do that by showing unconditional love without any conditions, right? That we really choose to see someone, as a human being before anything else. And, look at their content, their character, like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. talks about, and just again, see them as a miracle and someone who is worthy of love, which all of us are. Again, though, just a great morning and early afternoon here at their school. Thank you so much, everyone, for touching my heart. Just a beautiful, beautiful time. Hope to see you again soon. Have a great rest of the school year. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist right here for some additional motivation. And you can also click on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.